Space exploration is full of surprises. One of the biggest surprises came recently. We found water on the moon. Yes, you heard that right. The moon, once thought to be bone dry, has water. This is huge news. It changes everything we thought we knew about the moon. It opens up exciting possibilities for the future of space travel. This discovery was not a fluke. It was the result of years of dedicated research and exploration. NASA, the American Space Agency, played a key role. They sent robotic missions to the moon. These missions were equipped with advanced instruments. These instruments could detect even the faintest traces of water. The discovery of water on the moon is a game changer. It has profound implications for the future of space exploration. It could pave the way for a permanent human presence on the moon. It could even serve as a stepping stone for missions to Mars and beyond. Join me as we delve into this groundbreaking discovery. We will explore the missions that led to it. We will learn how water exists on the moon, and we will ponder the implications for the future of humanity's journey into the cosmos. The Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, or LRO, is a robotic spacecraft. It has been orbiting the moon since 2009. LRO's mission is to map the moon in unprecedented detail. It has a suite of 7 powerful instruments. These instruments allow it to study the moon's surface and environment. One of LRO's most important instruments is the Diviner Lunar Radiometer experiment. Diviner measures the moon's surface temperature. It can detect heat signatures from different materials. This includes water ice lurking in the shadows of craters. The LRO has revolutionized our understanding of the moon. It has provided us with high-resolution images and data. This data has been crucial in confirming the presence of water on the moon. In 2009, NASA launched the Lunar Crater Observation and Sensing Satellite, or LCROSS. LCROSS was on a mission to search for water ice. It targeted a permanently shadowed crater near the moon's south pole. LCROSS used a unique method to search for water. It intentionally crashed its spent Centaur rocket stage into the lunar surface. The impact created a plume of debris. This plume rose high above the lunar surface. Scientists could then analyze the debris for signs of water. The LCROSS impact was a spectacular event. The plume of debris was visible from Earth. The impact and subsequent analysis confirmed the presence of water ice in the lunar soil. SOFIA stands for Stratospheric Observatory for Infrared Astronomy. It is a unique observatory. It is housed inside a modified Boeing 747 aircraft. SOFIA flies high in the Earth's atmosphere. This allows it to observe the universe in infrared light. Infrared light is invisible to the human eye, but it can reveal hidden details about celestial objects. SOFIA's instruments can detect the unique infrared signature of water molecules. In 2020, SOFIA made a groundbreaking discovery. It confirmed the presence of water molecules on the sunlit surface of the moon. This was a surprise to scientists. They previously thought that water could only exist in permanently shadowed craters. Section 5. How does water exist on the moon? The moon has a very thin atmosphere. It's almost like a vacuum. This means that any water on the surface should evaporate quickly. So how does water exist on the moon? The answer lies in the moon's unique environment. The moon's axis of rotation is tilted only slightly. This means that some areas near the poles are permanently shadowed. These shadowed regions are extremely cold. They act as cold traps, preserving water ice for billions of years. Scientists believe that water ice was delivered to the moon by comets and asteroids. These icy bodies bombarded the early solar system. Some of this water ice ended up in the permanently shadowed craters at the moon's poles. The discovery of water molecules on the sunlit surface was a surprise. Scientists believe that these water molecules are trapped within the lunar soil. The soil acts as a shield, protecting the water from the harsh lunar environment. Section 6. The significance of lunar water. The discovery of water on the moon is significant for several reasons. First, it changes our understanding of the moon's formation and evolution. The presence of water tells us that the moon's history is more complex than we previously thought. Second, lunar water has practical implications for future space exploration. Water is a valuable resource. It can be used for drinking, growing food, and even producing rocket fuel. The presence of water on the moon could make it much easier and cheaper to establish a human presence there. Third, the discovery of lunar water has inspired scientists and engineers to develop new technologies. These technologies could be used to extract, store, and utilize lunar water. Imagine a future where we have lunar bases powered by water ice. Imagine astronauts drinking water extracted from the moon's surface. The discovery of lunar water has made these dreams a real possibility. Section 7. A stepping stone to Mars. The moon is often seen as a stepping stone to Mars. It is a natural target for human exploration. It is relatively close to Earth. A trip to the moon takes only a few days. This makes it a good place to test new technologies and strategies for deep space missions. The presence of water on the moon makes it an even more attractive destination for human exploration. Water is heavy and expensive to launch from Earth. If we can extract water from the moon, it could greatly reduce the cost of future space missions. Imagine a future where we have a lunar base. This base could serve as a refueling station for missions to Mars and beyond. We could use lunar water to produce rocket fuel. This would allow us to send larger and more ambitious missions into deep space. Section 8. Building a lunar base. The discovery of water on the moon has made the dream of building a lunar base more attainable. A lunar base could serve as a scientific outpost. It could also be a hub for commercial activities. Water is essential for human life. It is also a key ingredient in rocket fuel. The presence of water on the moon means that we would not have to transport these resources from Earth. This would greatly reduce the cost and complexity of building and maintaining a lunar base. Imagine a lunar base with scientists conducting research. They are studying the moon's geology and environment. Astronauts are venturing out on expeditions. They are exploring the lunar landscape. The base could also be a hub for commercial activities. Companies could mine the moon for resources. They could develop new technologies for space exploration. Section 9. The future of space exploration, a new era dawns. The discovery of water on the moon marks the dawn of a new era in space exploration. It has opened up a realm of possibilities that were once considered science fiction. With the presence of this vital resource, the moon transforms from a celestial object of admiration into a potential springboard for humanity's expansion into the cosmos. This discovery fuels our collective imagination. It propels us to envision a future where humanity establishes a sustainable presence beyond Earth. The moon, once a symbol of distant beauty, becomes a tangible frontier, a stepping stone on our path to becoming a multi-planetary species. Section 10. The moon, humanity's first step into the cosmos. The moon, our closest celestial neighbor, has always held a special place in our hearts and minds. It has been a source of wonder, inspiration, and scientific inquiry for millennia. Now, with the confirmation of water on its surface, the moon takes on an even greater significance in our collective journey as a species. It becomes the testing ground for our technological prowess, our collaborative spirit, and our insatiable thirst for exploration. The challenges of establishing a sustainable human presence on the moon are undeniable, but they are not insurmountable. The discovery of water has provided us with the essential ingredient, both literally and metaphorically, to transform this dream into a reality. Section 11. Conclusion. Water on the moon, a catalyst for exploration. The discovery of water on the moon is a game changer. It has rekindled our fascination with space exploration. It has given us a renewed sense of purpose. The moon is no longer a distant, desolate orb. It is a potential treasure trove of resources. It is a stepping stone to the cosmos. As we venture further into the 21st century, the moon will play an increasingly important role in our future. It will be a place of science, of commerce, and perhaps even of human settlement. The discovery of water has made all of this possible. The future of space exploration is bright, and it all starts with water on the moon.